Hello students, today our topic is table in MS Word. What is a table and how you can create a table in MS Word? First of all, definition of a table. What is a table? Table is a collection of row and columns that is used to manage data in a tabular form. Next, then how you can create a table in MS Word document. In MS Word document, the second tab is Insert tab. Click on Insert tab. So many options are available here. You can see, then second option is Table. Click on Table option, then a pop-up menu will appear and there are other options are available here. In MS Word, we can insert a table in 3 different methods. First, by using table button, that is this. From here, by dragging our mouse, we can select number of row and columns that we want to insert in our table, and that's it. By using drag and drop method, we can insert a table in MS Word document. This is the first method by which we can insert a table in our MS Word document. Next, the second method is click on Insert option, then Table, and here is the second option. Second option by which using this we can insert a table in MS Word document, that is Insert Table. Now click on Insert Table option. You can see here that a dialog box visible. From this dialog box, there are some options like table size, number of column, number of rows. From here, number of column, by default there are 5 columns, but you can increase or decrease number of column from here. The second option is number of row. By default there is 2 number of row, but you can also increase or decrease number of row from here, and you can see that the next option, auto fit behavior. From this you can see that there are 3 another options are available here. फिक्स्ड कॉलम विड्थ में आप कॉलम की विड्थ को यहाँ पे एडजस्ट कर सकते हो, आपको कितनी कॉलम की विड्थ यहाँ पे चाहिए, या फिर ऑटो भी सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. ऑटो में क्या होगा, जो भी आपका कंटेंट होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपकी कॉलम की विड्थ हो जाएगी. नेक्स्ट इज ऑटो फिट कंटेंट. इन ऑटो फिट कंटेंट, this option automatically adjusts the width of each column according to the content of each column. Then last is auto fit to window. This option automatically adjusts the size of the table to fit in the window. Then click on OK button. Then you can see a table is inserted here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns, and 1, 2, 3 row are available in this table. Now third method, click on Insert button, then Table, then Quick Table. Quick Table option is available at the last. And in this option, some built-in tables are available in MS Word document, and from these tables you can select one which you want to insert in your document, like this. So these are the three methods by using we can insert a table in MS Word document. Now, how can we insert data in MS Word in a table in a MS Word document? First of all, click on the particular cell. What is a cell? Cell is a intersection of row and column. This box is called a cell. Cell is the smallest unit of a table. Then if you want to enter text in table, then click here and enter the column name. Like this. Then click second column. And next column. Marks. Then fee. Like this, you can insert data in your table. Roll number 1, 2, 3. Ram, Rahul, Mohan, class 10th, marks. Only you have to click on a particular cell where you want to insert data. 400. Then fee. Like this. Now, next, how you can insert a row in a table. How a new row you can insert in a table. If we want to add or insert a row in a table, then just click in a row, then right click, then go to insert option in this pop-up menu, and there are another options are available here, like insert column to the left, right, insert column to the right, insert row above, insert row below. Now I select insert row below, and this type we can insert a new row in a table. And simply we can insert data also. This type you can insert a new row in a table. And if you want to delete a row from a table, then suppose I want to delete this row where roll number is 3, Mohan 10 and Marks. I want to delete this particular row, then click on in this row in any column, not in first column, in any column, then right click. Suppose I want to delete row where the roll number is 3, then select, click here, right click, delete cell, and from delete cell there are 4 options available: shift cell left, shift cell up, delete entire row, delete entire column. If we want to delete entire row, then select delete entire row option, then OK, and see here रो आपकी जो है वो डिलीट हो गई है यहाँ से. Like this, you can also delete a particular column. Like I want to delete this column marks. Click here, then click delete option, delete cell, and from here select delete entire column, then OK. So by using insert table option, we can insert a table in a Word document, and we can insert a particular row, we can insert a new row, we can insert a column, we can delete a row, we can delete a column. So these are the options available in MS Word to manage, create a table or manage a table.